Have you ever gone to a restaurant, looked at the menu, and thought, what do I even say to the waiter?
Ha ha ha, yes. Or when the waiter asks, "How would you like your steak?" And you panic like, cooked?
Ha ha ha, exactly. Don't worry, we've all been there.
So today, we'll help you sound confident when ordering food in English. No more awkward restaurant moments.
Welcome back to the English Flow podcast, where we help you speak real, natural English with confidence. I'm Emma.
And I am Jake. And today's episode is called How to Talk at a Restaurant in English. We'll go over useful phrases, polite expressions, and some funny restaurant moments too. Part 1. Starting at the restaurant.
All right, Ryan, imagine you walk into a restaurant. What's the first thing you hear?
Usually, the waiter says, "Good evening. How many people?"
Exactly, and then you can reply with, "A table for two, please," greater than or, "We're 4 people."
That's one of the most common phrases. And you can also say, "Can we sit by the window?" Greater than or, greater than, "Do you have a table outside?"
Nice. That's polite and natural.
And if the restaurant is busy, the waiter might say, "It'll be a few minutes." You can reply with, "No problem, we'll wait."
Perfect. It shows you're patient and polite.
Vocabulary time.
Let's quickly look at some words you might hear in a restaurant.
All right, here we go. 1 menu, the list of food and drinks. Example, "Can I see the menu, please?" 2 order, to ask for food or drinks. Greater than, "I'd like to order a pizza." 3. Waiter, waitress, the person who serves food. Greater than, "Excuse me, waiter, could we get some water, please?" 4. Bill, UK, check, US, the paper that shows how much you have to pay. Greater than, "Can we have the bill, please?" 5. Tip, extra money you give for good service. Greater than, "I usually leave a 10% tip."
These are simple, but using them naturally makes your English sound smooth and confident. Part 2. Ordering food.
Okay, now you're sitting at your table. The waiter comes over and says, "Are you ready to order?"
You can answer greater than, "Yes, I'd like the chicken pasta, please." Greater than or, "Not yet. Could we have a few more minutes?"
And if you're not sure about something on the menu, just ask, greater than, "What's in this dish?" Greater than or, greater than, "Is it spicy?"
Exactly. And if you want to sound polite, use pas croire, please. And could not just give me.
Haha, yes. Don't say, "Give me the burger." Say, "Could I have the burger, please?"
Good manners make you sound more natural and more friendly. Part 3. During the meal.
Now you're eating. Maybe you need something. You can say, greater than, "Excuse me, could I get some more water?" Greater than or, greater than, "Can I have another fork, please?"
Nice. And if something's wrong with the food, you can politely say, greater than, "Sorry, but this isn't what I ordered." Greater than or, greater than, "Could you please check this for me?"
Remember, polite tone is everything.
Exactly. You can be polite and firm at the same time. Part 4. Asking for the bill.
When you finish your meal, the waiter might ask, "Would you like anything else?"
You can say, greater than, "No, thank you. Could we have the bill, please?"
In American English, people usually say check instead of bill. So you can say, greater than, "Can I get the check, please?"
And don't forget about the tip, usually 10 to 15% of the total amount.
Right. So if your bill is $20, you can leave a $2 to $3 tip.
Simple, polite, and natural.
Quick practice. Okay, let's practice a quick conversation. Repeat after us if you can.
Waiter, good evening. How many people? You, a table for 2, please.
Waiter, are you ready to order? You, yes. I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
Waiter, would you like something to drink? You, just water, please.
Waiter, Would you like dessert? You. No, thank you. Can we have the bill, please?
Perfect. You just spoke like a real English speaker at a restaurant.
Real-life tip. If you're ever unsure what to say, just smile and be polite. Words like please, thank you, and excuse me go a long way.
Haha, yes. Even if your grammar isn't perfect, being polite always sounds great.
That's the secret to sounding confident in English. Polite tone plus simple phrases.
Recap time. Let's quickly review what we learned today. Key phrases. A table for two, please. Could I have the menu? Are you ready to order? Could we have the bill, please? Can I get some more water?
And vocabulary: menu, order, waiter, bill, tip.
Practice these out loud a few times, maybe even next time you go to a restaurant.
That's it for today's episode of the English Flow Podcast. How to talk at a restaurant in English.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite food to order when you eat out?
Haha, I'm already hungry.
Same here. Okay, that's a wrap for today.
Keep learning, keep flowing, and keep speaking English every day. Goodbye.